Hello everyone, it's Charlie Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you a quick and easy wig install, so keep on watching. This unit is from Luvme Hair. I received a 12-inch blonde mix 5x5 loose wave undetectable lace closure wig, and this is how everything looked when I first received it. So as you can see, it's constructed very well. This wig has 3 combs and also elastic band. In here you can see that the knots are not bleached, but the hairline is very natural looking. So this is how the wig looked after I bleached the knots, washed the hair, and then I let it air dry. So after it was finished air drying, I took my hot comb and I flattened out the top of the wig. And I really like the loose curl look, so I'm adding a few curls with my curling wand. And once I finished, I ran my fingers through the curls to loosen them up. Okay, so now I'm back and I'm about to install it right quick, and let me tell you guys, it's going to be so fast and easy because you don't have to do much to it because it's a lace closure wig, my favorite. Okay, so I will be using the adjustable band that they have, and I want to show you all, I did add some makeup to the lace so that, you know, it'll blend a little bit better. Before I apply the wig, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the lace. So what I'm about to do is take this band, put my head like this, I'll put it at the bottom, and I'm taking a comb in the back and I'm sliding it underneath the band. That's how I like to do mine. I'm just adjusting it. Oh, it blends really good. This wig fit so good already. Look at this. I don't have no glue or anything. None of that. I don't know if you guys can see. That's all I did. The lace is blending in so well. Look at this, like it's right here. I'm trying to show you guys but it's right here, the lace. It blends in so good. Okay, so now I'm about to comb out the curls just a little bit. I wanted them a little looser, but they're gonna fall a little bit in a couple of days. But I love using wand curls because they last so long. So yeah, all I'm doing is combing out my little curls with my fingers. The hair is very soft too, very soft. Okay, so I went get my razor comb and I'm going to add some layers in the front, just a little bit, because I'm going for a certain look. And I'm sorry if y'all hear the rain. It's raining pretty bad outside. Okay, so this is the final look. Like I said, this is a very quick install, very beginner friendly. Okay, so I did do like a little thing with my bangs right here. I was going for that little swoop look and I really like it. So this hair is very soft. I love the cut. I didn't have to do anything to it. I mean, I did add a few layers like right here so I can get this little swoop piece, but I am really liking this unit. Very convenient. Throw on and go, okay? I love the highlights. It's not too much, it's just right. So I will have all the information down below in the description bar so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.